In this video, I'm going to show you how to look more confident. Now, I want to be more specific on what I mean. This video is mainly just to show you how to physically show people confidence, how to physically exude confidence. It's really not anything about how to fix yourself emotionally and mentally. I will make a video on that as well. But for now, these are tips and tricks on how you can change your body language to show that you are more confident. And over time, if you do these tips and tricks, you will eventually feel that confidence on the inside as well. The saying, fake it till you make it, is really a thing. So the first way and the easiest way that I have learned to fix my posture is to sit correctly on a chair. We spend so much of our time sitting, and a lot of the times we do not sit properly. We're hunched over, we're leaning like this, we're hunched like this. It's not good. It physically is hurting you. And this physical pain is affecting you internally. It is affecting you mentally and emotionally. I don't have the science to prove that. That physical pain you're feeling in your back, in your shoulders, in your neck, imagine you did not have that. And just sitting properly just looks better. It looks better. People will be jealous of you when they see you sitting with proper posture. They will be jealous of you. Now, I know it's very hard to sit properly all the time, and I'm not saying to sit 100% properly all the time while you're starting off. But the easiest way to start off sitting better is to just sit back fully on your chair. I will demonstrate. With better posture. So when you have your chair, we have a tendency to sit on the front half of our seat and then compensate by leaning forward. So I want to make it a habit. Your butt to the back, your butt to the back of the chair. Sit on your thighs, okay? Bum to the back, sit on your thighs. Try it right now and tell me you don't already feel a difference, right? So my second tip on how to look more confident is all up in this general area. So I'll start from the top and work down this area. So we carry so much stress up here, and people can see that. People can see your stress here. You are giving it to them. You are showing people your insecurities, okay? Other people are not looking at you and thinking, dang, he's insecure or she's insecure. No one is looking at you in that kind of a way, I promise you. Get those negative thoughts out of your head. It is actually you showing your lack of confidence to other people. You are showing that off. So let's fix it with fixing this general area, starting with the forehead. We all have a tendency to keep our eyebrows high. So many of us. So the second tip is to relax your forehead. Relax your forehead. Didn't that just feel so much better? Don't you already feel so much pressure lifted off of you? People will see that. People will see the relaxed forehead versus the not relaxed forehead. And I don't mean they will see your eyebrows from here to here. No, but they will see how relaxed it is. So if you keep your eyebrows up here on a constant basis, bring them down. Bring them down. And when you feel relaxed here, you will feel relaxed in other areas. And that relaxed feeling is confidence. Relaxing is confidence. Relaxed forehead. Not relaxed forehead. Tense, tense, tense. Relaxed forehead. Next, relax your jaw. You are putting too much stress here. The stress is not looking cute. Relax the forehead. Relax the jaw. You will feel so much more at ease. Ease is sexy. Ease. Next, bring your shoulders down. Why are they up here? Confidence is not up here. Confidence is down here. You cannot be confident if you are not relaxed. People cannot see confidence on tense bodies. Relax the shoulders. Doesn't that feel so much better? Relax. So I'm just going to show you everything. My eyebrows. I'm going to tense my forehead. I'm going to clench my jaw. And then I'm going to clench my shoulders. This is me clenched. I don't feel good. And I don't look as confident as I can. So let me relax everything. Relax. When you feel good, you look good. When you feel good, you look good. No one can take this feeling away from you. Nobody. So I will admit, keeping all of these areas relaxed on a day-to-day, moment-to-moment is quite difficult, and it takes a lot of training. So So I do have some tips on how you can keep up with appearing and feeling more relaxed. First of all, your mind is probably not as present as you think your mind is. You need to bring yourself to the present. You need to be more conscious of these activities, of relaxing. You need to consciously make an effort. So the way to do that is to slow down your thoughts. Slow down those anxious thoughts you have that are always keeping you tense and not confident. Okay, we need to slow down these thoughts. So I have 2 tips on how to slow down your thoughts. If no one has told you this before, I'm telling you right now, take deep breaths. You know, a lot of people, you may have heard a lot of people tell you to meditate, or you've seen that online all the time, suggesting meditate, meditate, meditate. And yes, we should all meditate, but if you are just beginning off on your journey of confidence and self-healing and self-love, learning to meditate, learning to give the time to meditate is not so easy. But what you can always do is apply the principles of meditating to every moment of your life. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. And there are so many different ways to take deep breaths. I've seen so many suggestions. Do it this way, do it that way. Do what makes you feel good. Take a deep breath, however you do it, from your chest, from your diaphragm, whatever. Take a deep breath. Every time you are not feeling good, take a deep breath. Every time you are passing by somebody and it's giving you anxiety, take a deep breath. Every time you're walking into a new room or passing by a new group, or if someone is passing by you and you're not feeling confident, take a deep breath. No one is going to notice you take a deep breath. It is a completely normal thing to do. Take several deep breaths wherever you are, whatever you're doing. You can do it literally anywhere. You don't have to sit at home every morning, every night and do a meditation. Yes, eventually you will get to that level, but right now when you're starting off your self-healing journey, just take a breath. Because when you take a breath, when you breathe slowly, you catch up to your thoughts. You catch up to your thoughts. And when you do that, you move a little bit slower and you speak a little bit slower. And moving and speaking slower is a sign of intelligence. We as humans always assume that people who take their time moving and speaking are very intelligent. And it shows. It shows because how the rest of our body looks and feels. So move and speak slower. And during the process of focusing on your breath and taking those deeper breaths, your face will relax. Your shoulders will relax. You will also move and speak slower. And this is my last tip. Moving and speaking slower are signs of intelligence. They are signs of intelligence because people just look more confident when they do these things. We respect other people who have confidence. And everybody who is confident and intelligent, they move with a purpose. They speak with a purpose. They all take their time moving and speaking. So imagine I speed up how I'm saying, how I'm moving. Like, not that I look dumb, but I definitely don't look as intelligent if I were to slow down my pace a little bit. It's okay to slow down your movements and how you speak. Other people will wait for you to finish your sentence. I promise you. No one is rushing you when you speak. No one is rushing you when you're moving. When you demand the time, people will give it to you. It's insane. But you can literally influence people by just moving and speaking slower, because people will think you're just so extremely intelligent. People will give you their time and attention and their respect just because you are speaking and moving slower. You are demanding their time and attention, and people will just give it to you. And it's amazing. It's amazing how much you can transform your life with just moving and speaking slower. And then back that up with a relaxed face, with the relaxed shoulders, with a relaxed posture, and you will change your life. You will change your life, I promise you. These are tips you can do every day with minimal effort, going into these things every day. You can change your life. You not only will be able to show people you're confident, even if you're not feeling confident, you will show it off. I promise you. I promise you. You will show off confidence. And over time, with you physically being relaxed, your body will reward you. Your body will reward you mentally and emotionally, and you will have a better grasp on your life. So please try out these tips and tricks. Work on something a little bit every day. Keep consciousness every day, and I promise you will see a world of difference. Okay, so I'm going to end my video here. I hope I taught you something. I hope you take away some things from this video, and I hope I could have helped at least one person with anything going on in your life. You are not alone in this world. Happiness starts with you. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.